In a remote wooded area outside of Eureka, Missouri, a small group of buckets put in place by Washington University researchers may hold new answers about a hated backyard nemesis, the mosquito. And if you're hoping this past winter's polar vortex sent the critters packing for this year, scientists here will quickly dash those hopes.
They lay eggs in the fall that are just incredibly resilient to extreme cold. So we suspect that even though we had a really deep, freeze for a few days, that these mosquitoes will likely do just as well this year as they did last.
Findings here at the Tyson Research Center have taught scientists that mosquitoes not only can adapt to different temperatures, they can do it very quickly.
For the Asian tiger mosquito in particular, they have adapted over a matter of 3 decades to northern winters.
The story of that Asian tiger mosquito is the story of a major change in the bugs here in St. Louis over the past few decades. You see, the most prevalent mosquito in St. Louis wasn't even in the United States 40 years ago. It began with a shipment of recycled tires from halfway around the world.
It was accidentally introduced to the area around Houston, Texas in the early 80s through the transport of used tires from Japan. They quickly spread from Texas all the way northward to New Jersey in a matter of a couple of years. In the temperate latitudes in the U.S. And urban and suburban areas, they are definitely the dominant species of mosquito.
All that because of what happens when the larvae, those little wiggling things you see, begin to grow. The Asian tiger mosquito is stronger and tends to dominate and push out other species. Survival of the meanest in this case.
The Asian tiger mosquito, once introduced to the St. Louis area, replaced some of the native mosquitoes that were much less aggressive biters. There were fewer of them, and so now that we have the Asian tiger mosquito, we have more annoying biters and more of them.
They've adapted to colder temperatures and in some cases even the chemicals we use to try and kill them.
Some mosquitoes have evolved resistance to certain management techniques, yeah. They have a short lifespan, which is one of the sort of key requirements to being able to adapt quickly. So they can go through a number of generations in a very short period of time.
Which brings us back to the buckets. Out here in Tyson's woods, they actually don't have too many mosquitoes. That's because mosquitoes need containers, natural or man-made, for their eggs to grow and hatch. So Asian tiger or otherwise, if you get rid of those containers full of water around your house, you'll do what bitter cold and even chemicals can't do.
And there are many strategies out there to manage mosquito populations, but the best way to do it for container mosquitoes is to eliminate their habitat and dump out those containers.